Today's the day, people. I'm Elly Awesome, Aussie tech reviewer, and I am going to be one of the first people opening up Vision Pro in Australia, so let's just do it. Wow, that looks so real. What? Okay, shit, there goes my drum kit. Oh my god, f this. Nah. By the way, considering this product launched overseas first, you'll have to tell me what you actually want to see and hear about and everything, because I don't know if everything's been done, but this is certainly not new. So it's got these like pull tabbies. I love that Apple uses paper more now, but that did not rip as well as it should have. Now just go to the other side. All right, let's try that again. Maybe it was me. It seems about right. Ooh, let's get you. Get down. I'll be opening the case up after this, by the way. Oh, it's just not properly open yet. Now let's see what we're working with, shall we? Oh, much nicer. Ooh. Oh, it's got a smell in the air. It's not quite new car, but it's new something. Maybe it is new car. Whoa, what the heck? Look at this cover. Oh, it's soft though. Shit, that's soft. How is that so damn soft? Okay, this is pretty funny looking. It's smaller than I remember. Pop this off, pop this off. Ooh, nice, that's all paper. Very good, recyclable. Now, we've got the cover. What? That is so funny. Just like pops on like, that's adorable. It's so cool. It's elasticy and soft. It's nice. It feels so premium. All right, that is shiny and crazy looking. Holy crap. Here we go. Look at this. On the website, you actually do like a little sizing head scan before you order it. So I'm curious to see if this is about right. I need to just move you up a bit again. All right. Oh yeah, nice. And how do you tighten it again? Is this dial? Or is that for something else? Or is it these little toggles in here? Oh. Wow. Dude, it's so well made and it's so beautiful, but it's definitely a heavier headset. Like, it's unfortunately just the truth, but it is just, I feel like the engineering is just unbelievably gorgeous. Oh, Apple really thought, I want people to hold this in their hands and think, this is the future, I'm holding the future. Because that is how it feels. And, you know, I've tried headsets, but they just made it look visually impressive. It just is. Okay, so again, I did the head scan. Does that mean I can't adjust it any tighter? Anyway, we haven't read any instructions or done anything, so next step. Let's pull this off. All right, there's heaps of stuff in here. This is the first time I'm actually opening up the documents and paying attention. Oh wow, it's like a fancy booklet. See, I actually do need to read this because it's such a different product that I don't intuitively understand it in its entirety. I forgot it has a separate battery. Oh my gosh. It outlines all the different parts of the product, the battery, and it tells you how to charge it, which it looks like it has a really cool charging cable, and how to put your custom lenses in if you need it. Then we've got the fit. Looks like I can adjust it with the dial, so I should be sweet. We'll try that shortly. How to adjust the display. How to set it up with your iPhone. More precise fitting. Apparently it also comes with this band as an additional option. Then we've got bits on how to adjust the band more, remove it. Again, getting the correct fit and positioning. Ways to interact with the product so you look after it and you don't break it. The cover, how to care for the product by making sure you put its cover back on, this thing. Polishing it up, cleaning it, battery care, and safety guide. So we've gotten through that bit of information. There's so much going on. Now this bit, what's in here? It's like so surprising and exciting. Polishing cloth, nice. Apple polishing cloths are expensive, so I am so keen for that. Hope it works really well. What else we got? We got a light seal cushion. What is a light seal cushion? Oh, right. So any light leakage around the sort of eye, nose area, just the whole outside of this. I'm assuming that's what that's for. Oh yeah. I mean, it looks like we've already got one installed. So maybe it's just something you can swap out so you can keep it clean. Not entirely sure. Pretty sure that's the same cloth here. Okay, that's cool. Comes with a lot of stuff, can't complain so far. I mean, the price, let's not talk about it. Dual loop band. Ooh. Okay, this is that other band we saw in the instruction manual. And then you have all your bits and pieces to get it up and running. So we've got the battery, the USB to USB-C cable, and the Australian wall plug. I guess let's take a close look at this battery because, hold up. I'm no iJustine, but I kind of like this sit back and just chill vibe. We're just hanging. So there we go. Oh, now that is a fancy battery pack. What the heck? This shit is like pure Apple aluminium. Or aluminum, as you Americans would say. The Apple logo on it, it's heavy. It's really nice looking. It's very space agey vibes as well with this whole situation. Like now we've got the unique charging attachment or connection. That's like a whole new plug I've never seen before. Look at this. That's interesting. Okay, so that's gonna go here. Didn't get the snap. Is it gonna snap in? I really thought it would snap in. You have to twist it in. Oh shit, you do. Okay, so it's not just like a MagSafe situation. Wait, insert this way and then turn. Oh. So then I guess you get your USB-C to USB-C cable. Oh my gosh. It's a nice braided USB-C cable. And then your power brick. I always wonder why there's this like wrap over stuff. I guess it probably keeps quality control, but it seems kind of unnecessary. But I mean, I like that it's quality. So we got that, and then we plug that into here. Well, now I'm technically ready to rock and roll. It's already gotten a little smudge on the front. But let's open up the case first. I actually think this looks really fun. Vision Pro travel case. It's very like soft and spongy. It's like, when you press it, the air goes out of the puffiness of it. And I don't know, it's very appealing. Although it's weirdly crinkly all over, which isn't kind of cool. It's kind of got its own aesthetic. I like it. Better than the Meta Quest bag, trust me. The Meta brand bag. I got beef with that bag. Whoa, okay, got a little baggie. What is this for? My lenses or something? What is this for? What's this? Some documentation. Vision Pro travel case. Ah, it shows you how to put it all in the bag. That is helpful. I probably will need to follow those instructions. What's this? Accessory pouch. Oh, is that what this is for? Maybe it just came off and I didn't notice. Really interesting. What the? Oh my gosh. Oh, you can adjust. Wow. That's a cool mechanism. And that's, like, this is crazy. This silver. All right, look at this. I'm sorry if that was out of shot just then, but like, we've got this silvery, shiny, bloody Velcro. I don't know, it's soft. It's just so fancy, dude. Gosh, you want to treat yourself if you can afford it. This shit's crazy. The quality. And you got this tab that you undo with Velcro, and then you can move it. Oop, undo that. And you can move it up and down, and then when you got it in place, put it back down. It's pretty fancy. So I believe like the battery goes there underneath, and then it said slip on this thing, and then, or that. Anyway, I'm so sorry if you came to see how it goes in the case. I might do it later. Can't be bothered right now. Oh my gosh, that is so silky. That is like, I want to rub my cheek on it. Holy shit. It's padded, it's squishy, and it's the softest thing I've ever felt. Goodness me. Of course, Apple. That is nice. That's a vibe. All right, there's a lot going on here. Lid. So, should I put it on? I reckon I should. Actually, I'm able to sit. Let's go into the future. Ooh. Actually, I just remembered I need to put my custom lenses in, which I also have, because my eyesight is only a little blurry at this stage. So I do wear glasses. All right, these are my Zeiss optical inserts with my prescription. They look correct. Let's check it out. Precision Optics by Apple and Zeiss. Getting started. Place the Zeiss optical inserts over the display. They will snap in magnetically when properly positioned. If prompted, scan the code included. The system may prompt you to switch the light seal cushion provided. Ah, okay. So they are different. Whoa. Okay. We're just gonna put them there, put them on top. Oh, perfect. Oh, that's easy. Oh, nice. All right, where were we? Here's my little dial. That tightens it perfectly. All right, what did it say? Press and hold to align. What the fuck? Okay, so essentially what just happened is I pressed and held this button and it electronically moved the lenses into place over my eyes so that they were correctly installed. I felt like the air move around them, and as they moved into place robotically, electronically, everything about this is so extra and it's awesome, but I can see why it's so expensive. Oh my gosh. I see the Apple logo. Oh, and now I see the camera again. I'm in augmented reality, I suppose. That was so sick. I just heard the classic like Mac startup sound. Turn the digital crown to scroll. I'm choosing my country and region, which is Australia. I'm setting my language. I don't know if this is useful to you guys because I can't show you the screen currently. I see the Apple logo. I'm still in my room. Okay, now I need my iPhone apparently. I've got one there, but I did want to set up on my other phone. Believe it or not, I'm currently dailying an iPhone 13 mini because I love how small it is and cute. Oh, it just popped up saying it's ready to pair. My work phone though, like if I'm using Apple by the way, is like the latest Pro model. You can't fault that for filming. I wouldn't say this is as good for filming for sure. All right, I'm scanning this QR code with my headset. Look at the code on your phone. Whoa. All right, so I can see a loading bar like over my phone now and it's just connected them. That's dope. Okay, now what? What did that say? Look at your code to pair your optical. All right, we're paired. That is so weird. Yeah, wow. Can you guys hear this?
To scroll, pinch your fingers together and gently flip.
Okay, that's how I'm scrolling. I'm watching a whole video now, how this works. All right, I think I'm gonna leave it there because I don't wanna bore you guys, but I'd love to know what wouldn't bore you. So let me know in the comments what you wanna see.
Vision Pro at eye level.
That's so freaky. Works so well. Instant. I looked at a dot, I tapped my fingers, and I selected it. It's pretty good pass through, like I can see the ground, pretty good resolution. This is so weird.
Next, let's capture your facial expressions.
I just understand it all. It's just like an iPhone. Hello Maple, where you going? Hi Beanie. This is what you guys are seeing. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe if you want to see more long form stuff here, and I'll see you next time. Bye.